Hi, welcome to VideoMathLessons.com. Tonight we're going to talk about a 5-minute review for Algebra 2 and trigonometry. And what we're going to talk about are rational numbers, and in this case addition and subtraction. These are the adding and subtracting of fractions, which some people have difficulty with. So we're going to review it, and just remember, you can do this. So here we go. So it says, express in simplest form, 1 over x plus 1 over x plus 3. Now, what we need to do is find a common denominator in this problem. So first I need a CD. And the easiest way to get a CD is to look what's downstairs on both. So this is an x, this is x plus 3. But you got to remember, it's x plus 3 as a quantity. So this x, you can't just say, oh, add 3. It doesn't work that way. What my common denominator is going to be is x times x plus 3. So when I go over here, I'm going to rewrite the problem. So I got 1 over x plus 1 over x plus 3. And I want this on the bottom of both. So on the first one, what's missing is the x plus 3. So I'm going to put that, and whatever you do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. Whatever you do to the denominator, you have to do to the numerator. And on this side, I'll put the parentheses around it. It's missing the x, so I'll put the x on it. And now what we do is we keep the common denominator, so it's x times x plus 3. And upstairs, I'm going to distribute and clean up a little bit. So on the first one, I distribute the 1. So I get x plus 3. That's pretty easy. Because the 1's upstairs makes it really easy. And over here, 1 times x is just x. So now I distribute it through, and I have to clean it up a little bit. So now the top is x plus x is 2x plus 3. And the denominator is x plus 3, my common. Now at this stage, I would try to simplify, and that would be factor, cancel, clean up. Now nothing cancels, nothing, even if I factor it, nothing's going to cancel. So I am done. This is simplest form. Let's take a look at number 2. So simplest form, 3x over 2x minus 6 plus 9 over 6 minus 2x. Now the first thing that jumps out to me is this looks backwards, and I call it a -1 trick. So let me rewrite this, and I'll do the -1 trick. So, and the -1 trick is if it's minus and backwards, a binomial, you can factor, it's called factor out of -1. So it's 2x minus 6. And I could take out a common denominator here, but it's not really going to help me do anything, so I'm just going to leave it alone. Plus 9 over, and here's the -1 trick. I'll take out the -1, and then it flips at the bottom, so it would be 2x minus 6. So now I don't like the negative sign downstairs, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the negative upstairs. I always like it better in the numerator. So it's 3x over 2x minus 6 plus, now instead of 9, I'll put the negative upstairs, and 2x minus 6. And after we move the negative, it's a common denominator. So I keep the common, 2x minus 6, and I clean up the numerator. It'd be 3x plus a negative is just 3x minus 9. And at this stage, we're going to simplify, which is factor, cancel, clean it up. So at top, I can take out a GCF of 3, so I get x minus 3. And the bottom, take out a 2, and we get x minus 3. And we can cancel. You never cancel little pieces. The entire parenthesis cancels out. And whatever's left is my answer. So my final is 3 over 2. Let's try another one. This is the super deluxe hardest one. And so this is going to make us go over a little bit on time, but that's okay because it's a really good problem. So now I see a problem here. Simplest form, 3a plus 1 over a squared minus 1 minus 1 over a plus 1. All right, this has a bunch of stuff. So first off, it's a subtraction problem. It's also this here doesn't really match up unless I factor this first. And a lot of people, they can see that. That's not a bad factoring. It's difference of squares. And when I look at this, I say, hey, the only thing missing from the right-hand side is a minus 1. So my common denominator is a plus 1, a minus 1. So let's clean this up a little bit. So I got 3a plus 1 over a plus 1, a minus 1. And, oh, remember, I don't like that minus in the middle, so I'm going to change it to plus, and I'm going to move the negative upstairs in the numerator. And downstairs is the a plus 1. So I just kind of it's the same. I haven't done any real math yet. I just changed how it looks. I factored it, and I moved the negative upstairs. Now I'm going to start doing the problem. So it's missing a minus 1, so up and down. And we're going to keep the common, a plus 1, a minus 1. And then clean up the top a little bit. So it'll be 3a plus 1 plus, and I'll keep the plus. You don't really have to, but I will. Distribute. So it'll be negative a plus a 1. Keep the common denominator. A plus 1, a minus 1. And top will be 2a plus 2. Still not done. Factor, cancel, clean it up. Take out a 2, a plus 1, a plus 1, a minus 1. A plus 1's cancel. And the final, 2 over a minus 1. Oh, that's a lot of work. But just remember, you can do this. You can do this. So thank you for watching, and hopefully this helps. Have a nice night.